at the Airbnb I booked for my birthday. Just staying one night, but I thought I'd do a quick little walkthrough. This is so pretty here. Stay tuned. Okay, here we are. This is the living room. Couch, really pretty view. Look at how beautiful the scenery is. So pretty. Looks like they have a little fire pit. Lounges outside. Here is the kitchen and dining area. Very modern, but I love like the white and then all the details with the different textures with the lamps. It's very striking with the white, but it really works well with the windows in the desert. Yeah. Beautiful. And it looks like you can open it too, both doors. Here is the bedroom, the guest bedroom number 1. Let's see. Oh, they got yoga mats. That's nice. Ooh, look at that. That's really a pretty view. Oh, I love that. Some interesting looking houses out here in Joshua Tree. Really pretty view. And they have like out there is like a jacuzzi and a little pool. Nice. I'm gonna head it down the hallway. This is bedroom number 2. Very nice. Looks comfortable. Oh yeah. Let's see. I think there's another shower here. Oh yeah, look at that. There's another shower. Ooh, that's nice. Both bathrooms have the same tile and actually the same. This is really cute. There I am. Hello. I got my cute dress on for my birthday. This is so super cute. Ooh, these are interesting. Look at these lamps. Little sconces. They almost look like they're sandstone. Just beautiful view with the windows. Yeah. And the floor is concrete. I love poured concrete floors. That's so neat. Ooh, look at that. It's a really nice little seating area. Yep. Looks like the fire pit is kind of in the ground a little bit, which is kind of cool because I'm sure it gets windy out here in the desert. I just love this place. This is really cool. Yeah, there we are. And these are neat. Look at this. This is kind of neat too, how it has little slits, like slit windows. Gives a little light coming through the hallway. But yeah, so there we go. I'm gonna do a little walk outside and show you around the property. But yeah, super cute. Okay, so I just walked outside. I'm going to show you the outside of this Airbnb. It's really nice right now. It's like 87. It's not too hot. It's got a little breeze, so actually the temperature isn't too bad. But I just love how the landscape is. This is really pretty, and this is open, so it's like a very open view of all the mountains. Oh, there's the little fire pit. It's nice. It's quite a beautiful house. Okay. I was like, so that is a part of the property. I'm going to take a look and see. This is where I was like, oh, a jacuzzi in the desert? A little pool in the desert? Hello. Yes. Got a grill, couch. Oh, this is a nice, like, little rustic picnic table. Well, it looks like it's been weathered, but that's okay. Yeah, it's cute. It's a little, they call it the cowboy pool. Just a little. The jacuzzi. I wonder if this is operating or not. Oh yeah, there it is. I don't know how to use it though. But there we are. Look at that. Look at that funny tree. It's like a fan. Well, there we go. Yeah. And the view is spectacular. Yes, I love this place. It's super cute. Happy I chose this place when I was looking for places, and it's always booked, so I was lucky enough to get one night in the desert, and it is gorgeous outside. Yes, I can't wait. I got birthday cake. I'm gonna do like a little meal prep, a little charcuterie action, and some drinks, and I have this little shot thing I'm gonna make. It's like a strawberry and a liqueur. So that is going to be something I'm gonna put together. All right, now I'm going to go in the house and try to figure out what I'm gonna do next. Toodles.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. You can find me on Vargo Travels YouTube, Vargo Travels TikTok, and Hybrid Hippie on Instagram. Thanks. Toodles. I'll show you. Here we go. Oh. There we go.